Hello friends, welcome to C Space. Today in this video session we will discuss about how to insert a record in ASP.NET Core. So let's start. We open our Visual Studio. Here I have already created a blank ASP.NET Core project with the MVC pattern. This is the models, view and controllers. And I have also taken one sample database where we will insert a record into this TPL employee table. So first of all we create a procedures for this. Here I create a procedures. It's a create proc sp employee. It's a imp name. It's like 250. And it's a city. And it's a state. And now it's a country. And then department. It says begin and insert into TPL employee. Now we provide these values. Now I run this queries. Now command completed successfully. In this video I will use edu.net for inserting records into this database table. So I have to create one more class inside a model. We open our Solution Explorer, and here firstly add one model class for this employee table. Here we create an employee class which containing all the columns that we need to insert it into this record. So here I choose any name, employee. Now it's creating a class. Here we will take properties for this. String imp name, it's a city, and it's a state. Now this is the department, and this is the country. Now we will go to our next step. We create one class for creating a database operations. It's like a database access layers. It's like employee DB, and here we using some more namespaces like system data using system data SQL client, and using the model class model namespace, it's insert code.models, and here we create a connection, SQL connection, con is equal to SQL connection. Here we will provide a connection string, and we create functions for inserting a record, save record, and here we taking a model class name, it's employee, like emp, it's SQL command equal to new SQL command. Here we write a procedure name. Our procedure name is sp employee add, it's command dot command type, dot stored procedure, and this command dot parameters dot add with value. Here we write this parameters name, we copy paste some more parameters, and this is the city name, this is the state, this for country, and this for department. Now we provide their values is emp dot emp name, and this is the city, emp dot state, emp dot country, emp dot department. Con dot open, con dot execute non query, and then con dot close. We're adding some try catch for exception handling. And we also take here a string, we paste all this, if connection state is con dot connection, con dot state is equal to connection state dot open, then we close our connection, and here we return a message x dot message dot toString, and here we return some okay message. This completed for a database access layer class. Now we go to our controller. Now we go to our view. It's here, and here we create a HTML form for inserting a record. Here we create form. It's a class. Here we taking some bootstrap classes. So horizontal. It's class from group, and then taking up for a label like its name. Class is control label, and then taking input. It's a class from control. Here we also take their action name is ASP. ASP action is equal to we take our action name that we created for a post method. It's index, and here we also take in a model name for ASP4. This control for this employee name, so I write it here. It's ASP4. Now we copy paste this for more time. We also write here a model name. It's a model. Insert code dot models dot employee, and this for city, this for state, and this for country, and this for department. Here we write a city, state, and this for country, and this for department. Now we close this. Yes, remove this. Here we take a button for submit. Input, and this type is submit, and then write there is values. It says submit, and then write here as some bootstrap classes. HTML form is completed. Now we go back to our controller section, and here we create one more method for post where we submit the data. It's HTTP post, Here we create an object for that employee DB class. It's a dbop is equal to employee DB, and then take here a parameters for this employee DB. It's bind employee, and here we create an object now. It's dbop dot save record, then pass this object here, and we also get some validations. Is a model state dot is valid, now we also add some try catch for exception handling. So here I add try catch, paste this section to here, and we also take this string message that returned by this every record function. Store this message inside a temp data. So like MSC, we take a variable, and this for exception message. Say xex dot message, and we also pop up this temp message to this view. Is not equal to null. Then we write here a script for this. It's alert temp data. Now we run this project, press F5. Now project is building. Build succeeded. Now it's accessing the home index action method that display the form for inserting a record into the employee table. So here we fill a record, and we just solve. It's a city. Here we enter a city, New Delhi. Say departments is like IT, and here we click to submit. It's showing OK, means recording inserted. So here we check record inside the TBL employee table. Select stock from TBL employee. So record is inserted inside the table. So this is all for how to insert a record in ASP.NET Core MVC. So if you have any problems, any suggestions, please like in the comment box. I will reply you soon. If you like my videos, please click on subscribe buttons and click on subscription bell for latest updates. So thanks for watching. We will meet in next video session.